Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure before we start this video you follow me on Instagram at Naomi Monroe, subscribe to my channel, and give me a thumbs up at any point in time in this video. I really appreciate it, guys. Kisses. Today is Monday. Yeah, today's Monday, and it is so cold outside, and I'm letting my car heat up before I start the day. But today, I'm going to be looking at apartments to move in with Van. I'm super excited because I'm so ready to get the fuck out of our current place. It was the worst experience ever. And Van actually chose his apartment we were in this time. So I told him I get to pick the apartment we move into next time. You guys are gonna come with me and I'm gonna show you guys all the awesome apartments that we're gonna see today. Van's gonna meet up with me later around 11:30. Hopefully he doesn't miss too much. I'm kind of nervous because I don't want to move into a shitty apartment again. Alright guys, I made it to the first location. I just have to find the spot now. Since I'm so close to home and Van is literally almost in this area, we just decided to meet up at home. And I'm about to scoop him. He's gonna leave his car, he's gonna hop in mine, and we're gonna go to the next tour together. And I'm gonna show him the video that I took of the tour I just had. And yeah, we're gonna see which one we like the most. Hey guys, so I literally forgot to vlog. Van hopped in my car and we just stopped by to grab him some breakfast. And we're currently on the way to get some brown rice because our tours were rescheduled until later in the day. So yeah, but what do you think of the first apartment?
From what I saw, it looked good. It didn't look too bad. I think you should be happy because it's straight veggie. There's no salt, there's no pepper.
So good. Hey guys, so I just got my lunch from Brown Rice. It's literally my favorite spot to eat at. And now I'm going to hop back in the car and we'll be on our way to the second apartment tour.
Navi was just chewing food right next to my ear for some reason.
For some odd reason, I was chewing food next to his ear.
Yeah, she knows she needs to chew food facing that way at all times. I don't know why she acted brand new, like we started dating or something. The fuck? Oh, man, do that shit right.
Is this the hood?
Yes.
It says turn right.
Yeah, if it's here, look where we are.
Oh fuck no, baby. Oh fuck no, baby.
What's the first thing you think of when you pass this?
Fucking trenches.
I think of drugs.
Exactly.
I think of rats. I think of gunshots.
Fuck no. Let's see if we can get out the hood with this quarter mile that's left.
We're in the hood. Oh, okay, now once we pass the bridge, we're out of the hood.
What bridge?
This bridge. So yeah, we're no longer in the hood now.
We're good.
This is University of Baltimore area.
Mm-hmm.
Now we don't be remembering her landmarks, being annoying as fuck. Should be acting brand new all the time. Where am I?
Because.
Where's the place? Where am I?
Because.
We pass this place all the time.
Because we literally never ever. I mean, I've only lived in Baltimore for a year. Not even a year. Not
You know how many times we've been down here since we've been together?
Well then.
Arrived.
Ya llegamos.
Are we
Oh,
going
your
in there?
breath.
Are you fucking serious right now?
You just burp and you're acting like you think that just smells cute.
We're about to fight, yo. We're about to
It
fight.
should smell like halitosis.
Halitosis is something that mints, mouthwash, or a good brushing can't solve.
Fuck you, Obi.
Let's go.
Lord, it fucking smells out here. Lord.
Okay,
Jesus.
one thing I don't like about it already is that there's no fucking parking.
There's no fucking what?
There's no parking.
Oh, true, yeah.
If I can be honest with you, like
Like that space?
yeah, because that's like on some real like
A la carrera. You know, in your studio space.
that's when I
That
need
space,
to,
would it fit in there?
that's when I need to suck it up and go to an actual studio.
But do you have, is that, like, because I like your setup because you're able to do multiple things. Because then you have your piano.
Yeah, a lot of things would have to be a little like either put away for a second. Honestly, with that space, if I know that, you know, like I can adapt, you feel me? I can easily adapt.
But what about the one he showed us? Because that was a one bedroom. He said it's only 9 something.
Yeah, nice. That's not bad either. You feel me? Like, if it's extra space and it's like, all right, well, if it makes sense, then we can do it. This video is provided by Natural and Delicious Calm Drink, turmeric, ginger, honey, CBD. Naomi, stop chewing in my ear like that, Naomi. Stop fucking chewing in my ear. It's nasty as fuck, bro. This shit don't make me calm. This shit make me fucking want to throw up. Okay, I'm not gonna slap you. This is nasty, huh? Yeah, what the heck? Yeah, I know. So Naomi's breath smells like ginger.
Thanks. I was hoping to find an apartment in this little ring right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Peabody is here. These are gonna be expensive.
I like expensive. I like expensive things.
Yeah, but are we trying to like stay here for another year or what? I'm not trying to stay here for another year. Can you not have any teeth? Ginger. My roots, good. You smell like ginger.
Ginger doesn't smell bad, you know.
Stinky,
Or does it?
breathy. Your breath smell like gingeritis.
At least I don't smell like hepatitis.
At least I don't smell like I got the itis.
At least I don't have halitosis.
At least I'm not a fat fuck.
Who's fat? I think it's this one right here on the corner.
Hey, yeah, you think it's right here? How much are they going for?
Hey, yo!
How much are these going for?
I only looked at shit that was in our
She told me to make
budget.
this right?
It's right here
She
on
said
the...
make this right?
It's right here. 301, yeah. She said it was on
I'm
the
sorry,
right.
excuse me. I
Sorry.
didn't mean to kill her.
No problem.
I thought I almost. What does me having to be Latinas do anything with what I
Because
just said?
Latinos are dramatic as shit. I stopped eating like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, and it's still, I can still hear it. And then the sound of this.
I wasn't doing that.
No, it was like with the fork. That shit like.
Oh, that noise with the fork scraping the bowl. I have an OCD when people do that in a pot.
Yeah.
That like metal noise. You do that.
I don't understand.
All right, let's go find our second or third apartment because we're currently lost and we cannot find it. And I told Van that it'd be way easier to find it on foot because we're literally in the city and
So let's pay for
every inch is a mile.
Parking.
Baby, it's cold outside.
You know I'm super annoyed right now.
Do you want this drink? Oh, fuck it.
Hold it, just hold it.
This video is not sponsored by whatever the fuck that was, because that was fucking nasty.
It's disgusting. It's for white people. White people have no taste.
Sorry, Katie. I love you. The gated community, so please get the fuck off the property.
Can you stop?
Baltimore.
That one looks very nice, but looks can be deceiving. So.
Yeah, it looks like it'd be a lot to deal with.
Yeah, it looks. Don't get me wrong. The only thing I didn't like is like, damn, I just thought about how cold it was, and if we shower and for some reason it's cold in the house, we gotta walk all the way up those steps, cold as fuck.
Yeah, instead of coziness. Yeah.
That one was 900. The only thing I didn't like is that there's no parking.
Honestly, I didn't like the first one that we saw down here.
No, you didn't like it?
No, I really didn't.
It was too ghetto.
No, it's not that. It's just like you come in, the kitchen's right there, the street is right there, like the sounds of everything going on outside. It's just OD. I don't know. I just didn't like the layout of that.
Okay.
And then the space of where we stay in our bed. I feel like I don't know. I don't like that. I don't like it. I feel like the studio was cozier than that one. Once he was offering the one bedroom for like 900, an extra 100, or even, I mean, whatever is fine as long as we can visually figure out how you can create enough space to make your music. You know what I'm saying?
I'm glad you care about that.
Yeah, because it's important to have that creative space, especially as a creative person. You know, if you don't have that space, you can feel overwhelmed. You can feel like it's too much, and it can draw you away from what you like to do. 3 different apartments at 3 drastically different prices. Yeah. We're apartment hunting. I mean, I could keep looking, but I think we've got a pretty good layout. We definitely did. What do you say? What is your move?